Do you know in 2019 the Eastland Golf Estate was sold at a rate of 1.5 million naira? Do you also know that in 2019 the Fairfield apartment 2-bedroom was sold at a rate of 6.6 million naira? Wow, this is a fantastic investment. Imagine if you have invested then. By now you would have been counting your profit. Watch this video to the end as I'm going to give you full information, details, updates regarding the Eastland Golf Estate and Fairfield apartment and why you should key into it right now. Watch this video to the end. Don't skip any. Remember, my name is Peter Twinnet from LeckyProperty.com. My job is to assist you with the right real estate investment information so that when you're making real estate investment decisions, be able to make the right decisions. And my partners in UK, the Lekki Dwellings. So watch this video to the end. Don't skip any. Watch to the end. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, use this opportunity to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be among those to be notified whenever I drop a new video on my channel. Thank you for always watching. Keep on watching. So here are the latest update from Eastland Golf Estate. So the drainage on the Eastland Golf Road is almost completed, going towards the end of the fence. All right, so look at updates. Here are updates. Can you see that? The updates from Eastland Golf Estate and Fairfield apartments. Can you see that? So work is going on day and night here to deliver. But remember, the reason why I'm here today is to let you know that on the 31st of this very month of October, which is on Sunday, all right, this very property price will increase both on the Fairfield apartment and on the Eastland Golf Estate. So please take advantage of this opportunity, invest in this estate. Now I'm going to continue to give you information, the reasons why you should get into this offer. Exactly in 2019, these very plots here in Eastland Golf Estate was sold at a rate of 1.5 million naira. The same 2019, the property price went to 3.5 million naira. In 2020, beginning of 2020, the property was selling for 7.5 million naira, and then towards the end of 2020 to stroke 2001, early January, the property was sold for 10.5 million naira, and in May 2021, which is this year, the property value was valued at 13.5 million naira, and presently that is the value of this property, 13.5 million naira. But from the 1st of November 2021, which is few days from today, exactly on Sunday, all right, the property price is going to change from 13.5 million naira to another new price. I don't know what will be the next price, but some people are suggesting that it might be up to 16 million, 16.5, 17 or 18 million, as the case may be. Please invest in Eastland Golf Estate or Fairfield apartment. Let me keep on giving you updates. This video is all about update and to remind you that the price is about to increase in this property. I'm also going to give you information about the Fairfield apartment, so you can also see the update. I'm going to go right in there to show you the latest update on Fairfield apartment. Keep on watching, and please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, take advantage of my videos or my content. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post new videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. So a few days ago, a client I was talking with was asking, are there anybody who have started building in Eastland Golf Estate? Now I'm directly standing on the first street on Eastland Golf Estate. That is the Fairfield apartment, and this is the first street on Eastland Golf Estate. So you can see the road have been sandfilled already, and these are plots of land that have been allocated already to clients. And yes, they have started building already in Eastland Golf Estate. You can see one of our clients has started building. You can see workers on site, sands are coming in, granite and the rest. So you can see what they're doing right there is what we call piling. All right, so that is piling machine. They're working. All right, you can see some other people too who have also bought from other plots around here. They're doing clearing already. This is 500 square meters from here to this other side is 500 square meters. I can see clearing work is ongoing here. Look at, see, they started building already. Okay, give and take, in next few weeks from now, the foundation would have been completed, the piling would have been completed, the foundation would have kicked off, and I will be giving you updates. You'll be getting updates from me. Okay, so I just want to show you around so you can see exactly what is happening. Look, Can you see? The owner of this plot has started clearing from this very place to this very place is 500 square meters. Now this is the measurement here. Though I'm going to shoot a video in the future that we're talking about lands and its measurement. So from here, from this very point now to that point at the end, at that point there at the end is 100 square meter. Right from here to this side is 50 square meter. All right, so that is what make up the 500 square meter. So we have 100 by 50 or 50 by 100, so that's exactly 500 square meters. So this is a standard one, and like I always say, I encourage our clients, I encourage our viewers, I encourage our prospects to key into Eastland Gulf Estate. All right, there are a lot of benefits. Like I always mention in my videos, I always mention that if you're buying any property that have amenities, then it's great, because amenity is what makes the property you have to value higher day in, day out. So if the owners of this estate every 4 months or every 5 months decide to increase the price of the property, it's worth it, because whenever you come in, you will definitely see new things are coming inside the estate. Okay, let me go further, let me go towards the end there and show you some other features of updates here in the estate, the Eastland Gulf and the Fairfield apartment. Keep on watching. So for the Fairfield apartment, we can see the constructions are still going on, so we are adding more apartments. Okay, aside from the one that we've completed already, all through this way you can see this is a piling machine here. All right, there's another piling machine on the other end. You can see workers are working already. So all through this way to this point here where you have these pegs, this small iron peg. All right, the apartments are going to extend towards this way. Why all this way? This is the Fairfield Road. You can see the drainage. All right, so I'm standing right on the Eastland Gulf Road. That's where I'm standing on right now. So the road is going to run through to the end of that fence. That's where the Eastland Gulf fence ends. Okay, so I'm standing right on the road. So this is drainage. You can see that completed already. They're taking it towards the end here, and all this here at the middle here are more apartments coming for Fairfield. Okay, so we're going to have more of that. You can see small irons pegged on the ground there. Those ones are indication of where they are to build. So as soon as they're done with the piling here, we'll move into this other side. Then on the other side, you can see there's also a drainage going on. I want to walk towards that end to show you. There's also a drainage. That drainage is on the road they call the Fairfield Road. Okay, let me walk up to that point and show you the Fairfield Road, so that you can see that work is really going on day and night here in this estate. And that is the reason why they say, if they say that the prices are increasing, the prices are increasing, it's worth it, because we can see that work is going on day and night here in this very estate. So congratulations again to our clients who have already secured either their plots or their apartments or both. We want to say congratulations again to you. From November 1st, your property price will have increased. All right, you would have made profit from the purchase of your property, either the plot of lands or the Eastland Gulf Estate apartment. So look at, can you see that? So I'm standing right on the Fairfield Road. This road is one that leads to that Fairfield gate that we always see at all time. Look at, can you see the kind of job they're doing here? Solid casting, just for the drainage, and very deep. So when they're done here, now they're going to put the slabs at the top. Okay, so I'm standing right on the road. You can see it's a very wide road from here to this very place. It's a very wide road. All right, so this is Fairfield Road. I'll keep on bringing you further information, so just keep on watching as I'm going to bring you updates. This is updates from Eastland Gulf Estate and Fairfield apartment. And so if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, use this opportunity to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that when I post subsequent videos, you'll be among those that will be notified first. Okay, so you can see, look at solid job. Can you see this has been covered already? The top has been covered already with slabs. Can you see the slabs? All right, let me just show you. Can you see that? Yes, so this is Fairfield apartment and Eastland Gulf Estate. Keep on watching. as I bring you further details. So as you can see, they are doing piling work already here, okay, for the high-rise structure, the continuation of Fairfield apartment block. Remember, we have already allocated this and the other two at the other end. So this very one here will soon be completed and also be allocated. So look at work is going on here. Can you see that? So we are working day and night to deliver. So like I mentioned, this road here that I'm working on now is the Fairfield road, while the other road where I showed you earlier is the Eastland Gulf Estate road. So let me show you a tip of what is happening on this road construction. Now, like I mentioned, a client was asking me how is the road going to be done. Is it going to be paved? Is it going to be paved? I said no, we don't use paving stones. All right, so we are doing casting, okay, like exactly what we have in Lekki Epe Expressway presently. The road expansion that is being done in Lekki Epe Expressway is casting. They cast it. The reason why it's good to cast is that it will take so many years before it will call for maintenance. All right, so look at, let me just show you briefly. Can you see? This is how far the work is going. A few days ago I was here to show you, some of my clients what these irons were meant for. So now they've already put down the irons, okay, and the next thing is casting. They are going to start the casting. Most likely it might be tomorrow, it might be on Monday or thereabout. I'm hopeful that if I'm around I will also do a video, okay. So you can see that this is Fairfield Road. So can you see what is happening here? The continuation of the road to hit to the end of that location. So look at, so when we promise, we deliver. I don't just consult or promote any property that you see from realtors or you see online. No, I look at companies, I look at the projection, I look at the development before I can be able to promote any product. So these people have proven that they promise and they also deliver. So look around, see what they have here. Can you see that? These are building and this is the road. So they are going to cast this very road you are seeing here. This road is going to be casted in a few days to come. So you can see work is in progress. The welders are working, the carpenters are working, the masons are working. Everybody is working busy to deliver this project. So take a look. So like I mentioned earlier, if you are yet to subscribe to either the Fairfield apartment or Eastland Gulf Estate, now is the best time for you to key into this offer. Contact me so I can assist you. All you need is an initial deposit of 4 million naira. 4 million naira. Remember, the price is increasing from the 1st of November, which is on Monday. Next week, Monday, the prices are going to increase. So look at, can you see? Can you see how thick it's going to be? So please, don't delay. Contact me so I can assist you secure any of the either the Fairfield apartment or the Eastland Gulf Estate. Let me go on and get you further information. Keep on watching. So part of the updates, these are the apartments that have been allocated already. This very one will soon be completed and be allocated. The other one behind has been allocated. This other one will also be completed shortly and be allocated. So you can see work is going on. Look at, this is solid road with good drainage, the good road. Then the apartments, we have so many things coming up here in the estate, including the amenities. Some of the amenities include the 9-hole golf course, the 2 man-made lakes, the general swimming pool. We're going to have a parking slot for visitors. So many things are coming up here, so you can see loaded. We are ready to deliver this job. In fact, as a matter of fact, we are hoping to have the first tenant move in this very December that is coming, which is like 2 months from now. Is it up to 2 months? No, it's no longer up to 2 months. It's just like 1 month from now, because we are already in November. Just a few days from now, we're in November already. So this is what we have in Fairfield apartment and the Eastland Gulf Estate. So this is an estate that you need to key into. Remember, we are going to have 24 hours electricity here, 24 hours security, including with the surveillance cameras all around. So it's a good buy. Buy into it, you will not regret, okay? Buy into it. A few years from now, you will thank me for bringing this deal to you. Keep on watching as I'm going to take you to the Play Arena. All right, let me take you to Play Arena. Let's just look around and see. So many of my clients are always interested. Peter, show me the arena, the Play Arena. Let me show you. This is the Play Arena. Okay, so we have here. You can play long tennis, you can play basketball, any of your choice. Just keep yourself busy. Be happy at all times. The reason why they make this estate, the Eastland Gulf Estate and Fairfield apartment, to be together is because they want to have a community style of living. All right, because discover a lot of people these days are always lonely. And sometimes loneliness can lead to so many things, you know. So because of that, they decided, okay, why not we just build a community style of living here in this estate, so that people can live together, share things together, play together. When you are bored at home, you can actually come out here to play games, can actually come out here to talk to people, network, make friends, and the rest. This is the kind of lifestyle we should be thinking about, you know. So this is Fairfield Apartment and Eastland Golf Estate. The play arena is where I am right now. Okay, all right. So I'm going to round up this video shortly, but I just want to recap to let you know that the prices are going to increase effective from November 1st, which is on Sunday, this coming Sunday. And so if you are interested to secure any of the property, that the apartment and the Fairfield Apartment or the Eastland Golf Estate, the plot of land, all you need is an initial deposit of 4 million naira. 4 million naira, you can secure your own plot of land or apartment.